All right, I'm going to do a quick little video on our instant dry whole milk. It's really simple to make. This is what we use now instead of regular milk because we don't drink milk like that. And sometimes it goes to waste. This does not have no sugar in it. See, sugar. So that's the difference between this one, of course, and the other one here. We just make enough to make meals. That's it. We don't use it for nothing else. Whatever's left over, I usually use it for coffee. But again, because we don't drink milk, and every time we buy milk, it goes to waste anyway, just to make something simple. So let's start this real simple thing off here. And what I like about this here is that it shows you how to make small amounts. So if you just need a cup of milk, then it shows you the ingredients for a cup of milk. If you just need a quart of milk, it shows you the ingredients there. So like I said, that's what's good about what I like about this. I am going to make a quart because I am going to be using milk and some ingredients that I have here. And it's over a cup. And then again, the rest, I will use water. The rest I'm going to use on my coffee. I'm sorry. All right, so I'm going to do the quart one, which is 3.5 cups of water with 1.5 cup of this whole dry milk. Okay, so that's my 1.5 of dry milk. Let me read this again just to make sure. 1.5 cup, because I'm making the quarter milk. Oh, 1 1/3 cup. See? Gotta pay attention. All right, 1 1/3. Alrighty, got my 3.5 cups of water here ready. When I got my Martha Stewart 1 cup and 1/3. Let's get this in here. I don't know how many this is. I'll be honest with you. That could be a quart or whatever. I'm not good on measurements and stuff. Just make sure you read it. Get it to where it's nice and flat. That's the cup. Hopefully I can do this right, which I'm not going to do it that way. I am going to go ahead and... Sometimes I catch myself wanting to do something hurry and a quick or something. All right, while that's doing that as a time clock there, I can get my 3rd cup of... So that's my... But nothing fancy smancy about it. Let me know, guys, what do you do? What kind of milk you use? Like I said, I've stopped using the other milk. Stopped drinking milk many years ago because there's a lot of fat in it. I tried the whatchamacallit, the blue one, which is like either no fat or something, but it still has sugars. This was real cheap at Walmart. All right. Okay, so if I did want to make, so that's a quart, so then that must be a gallon. That's all we need there is a quart. And like I said, anything left over, I can use for coffee. I don't have to worry about added sugars in it. But that's simply it. It literally tastes like milk. Maybe milk in a can. But it does have its unique smell. It almost smells like baby formula. And that's it, guys. So if you use the whole dry instant milk there, let me know. That's going to be used later to cook something. And again, whatever's left over, everything's in the back here. It does make my coffee taste real richer. I don't have to put a lot of that in there, almost like a creamer kind of thing. It shows you how to make creamy whip and rich chocolate pudding. So that's what I will say about this. This does make it taste really, really good, but it does have the smell of baby milk. But all right, until the next one, guys. See ya.